So here are some things that I have figured out, and in this video, I would like to share this with you. Why are you on LinkedIn? All of us have different reasons. Few of you are here because you want to attract the next best opportunity or a job for yourself. Few of you are here for business development purpose. Some of you are here to expand your network so that you can grow your business. Few of you want to become an influencer. You want to get popular, so you want to be on LinkedIn. Whatever be your purpose, LinkedIn, like any other channel, follows certain signs. Now, I am not a LinkedIn champion, so I do not claim that I have understood fully how LinkedIn works. Being a sales champion, I understand what the target group is looking for or how can I reach my target audience. Whenever I have asked my participants or my coaches if they are on LinkedIn, I have received quite a good number of hand raise saying that yes, we are. They're validating that they are on LinkedIn. The minute I ask the questions, how active you are, I receive quite a dismal response. Some say once a month, some say once in 2 months, some are like twice a month, they do a little better. Please understand, like any other channel, LinkedIn as a medium also runs on the concept of know, like, trust. What is the meaning of this? Whenever we are trying to attract a target audience, whosoever is a target group, whether it's an employer, whether it's another business, whether it is another individual, whosoever is that target group for you, the way you will be able to attract them towards you and achieve your objective is if first they know you, second they like you, and third they trust you. So when you are on LinkedIn, you need to keep in mind this know, like, trust process. So the first thing, therefore, is to get active. Let your target group know you, get visible to them right now by coming just once in a month. Your target group doesn't even know that you exist. Come as regularly as possible on this platform. What is recommended is at least come once a week if you cannot make it daily. But come once a week and gradually you can increase it to twice a week, and then you will start enjoying the whole thing and you will make it to daily so that your target group starts knowing you. You get visible to them. Now, once they know who you are, they still don't like you. Your next step, therefore, is to make them like you. Now, how can anyone like you? The way to get somebody else to like you is talk in terms of the other person's interest. So your target group is interested in a subject where you have an expertise. For example, you are a branding person. Your target group are all those employers in the marketing department. You want to get a job for yourself in the branding and marketing department. Now, the first thing for you is to get these people to know you, so you start getting active. The second is for them to like you. Now, in order for them to like you, they would like to see, read a lot of relevant posts coming from your side. Posts that make sense, posts that shows that tells us that, okay, this person knows about branding, this person knows about marketing. So you could be coming on LinkedIn and posting a lot about what are the different branding strategies that different organizations have taken during these virtual time, during these time when we are not able to step out. What are some best practices certain organizations, and what are some branding ideas or strategies a company or an organization should take? So the more you write about your subject in which you have an expertise, your target group starts liking you. Now, the third step then is to make them trust you. How are they going to trust you? Now, so far they like you because you post pretty interesting, very engaging and relevant content on a regular basis. So they like you. Now, in order for them to also trust you, you need to also now start engaging with their posts. So whatever they are posting, try and add value to it. Now, this will show your target group that you have depth on this particular subject. You know what you're talking about. Now, this way, your target group knows you, likes you, trusts you. Once you have been able to achieve this, you've created a brand for yourself, your personal brand in their eyes, in the eyes of the target audience. Now, when you connect with them and personally and try to ask for help or offer your services or ask for business, more often than not, your target group will entertain your request. I hope with this video, you have understood the science. My name is Pritha Dubey, and I teach the science behind selling. Happy selling.